Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL. And today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're actually starting out with a pattern that I've already made. This is something I typically don't do. We're starting out with this pattern from pattern 1207 and trying to change up some of the colors. So this was a 2-color bracelet that I thought could be done in more. I guess we're ready to give it a try here. So we're going to keep the red in the center part there and then change out this string to be orange and just see how that kind of goes. I'm really uncertain what will come of this pattern as a result, but you can see we still have the black boxes around the outside. So that's pretty cool. I often talk about the fact that when using a black thread, we don't necessarily put it in as a black because then it would like make both things kind of disappear or whatever. So yeah, maybe it goes out to the side. Sure, why not? Okay, so this one here is red and that stays there. The next color is this one. So let's make that a yellow. We're going to see if we can get all 6 colors in because it's a 12-string bracelet. That means you could have both sides. Having the strings, it would be 6 colors. So far, it's kind of working, I guess. Well, that's a thing. It went all the way up there. Huh. Okay, I guess this next one, the black string, I guess that's going to be green. Yeah, I didn't know really what to expect of this. I'm trying to follow like the natural path of the strings. Because like obviously I could change its directions in various points. Oh, that's weird. Oh, yeah, but it puts the green right outside of this yellow diamond. So there's still a blue and a purple. I'm gonna think that our purple is what's inside of this red here. Let's see where that comes from. And the blue is over a red string somewhere in this. So that's going to be this one here. So I was able to determine that one because obviously green goes between the purple, or the blue goes between the purple and the green like this. So hopefully this turns out as we expected. Yeah. Like I said, when I was working on this as 2 colors, I felt like it was a 6-color bracelet that somebody reduced down to 2, and that maybe it could be brought back into a whole 6-color thing. And that'd be fun to try. It's a little bit more complicated than I thought. So I'm copying this whole top area here. Control C, Control V, use our flip tool. Wow. All right. Layer, anchor, and merge down. Control C, Control V, flip tool again. And there's our bracelet. It is really colorful, and it's really fun. And it's really different. The other one was obviously, you know, I had to work to keep it straight rows and everything else. I'll have to do the same again with this, but this time we get to have different colors and get to enjoy that. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. A quick shout out to my YouTube members for making this stuff possible. I'm going to be going through a bunch of string again, and they helped make that happen. So thank you guys so much for that and believing in me and the channel. If you want to join them, it's easy. It's the join button down by subscribe on YouTube, and it helps out a lot. If you can't, I understand. Maybe just hit the like button. That would be awesome. All right. And thanks for hanging out with me. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.